If you have spent your hard-earned cash protecting your vehicle with a quality ceramic coating, the last thing you want to do is damage it without realizing. So today I'm breaking down the top 5 reasons why owners have damaged their own ceramic paint protection and how you can avoid doing that. First up on our list, and the most common reason, is rinsing the car without drying it. This one is very simple. Tap water left onto the surface and allowed to dry is going to lead to water spots that's going to etch into your paint and into your ceramic coating. Always dry your car properly after rinsing using a quality microfiber cloth and a quality drying aid like IGL AIO. Leaving your car to air dry is just a fancy way of saying I'm going to let my car get water spots. Second on our list is not using the right car care products. Dishwashing soap belongs in the kitchen, not in your garage. Cheap shampoos, degreasers and acids are all a very great way of coating very quickly. Don't use any polish, don't use any wax, always stick to what the manufacturer of your ceramic coatings recommends. Third is not washing your car frequently, and allowing dirt and grime to sit on your car for weeks is going to lead to contamination that will damage the hydrophobics and the gloss of the paintwork. Always wash your car every 2 weeks at a minimum, or whenever needed if it gets dirty sooner than that. Reason number 4 is not being mindful of the environment. Parking your car under trees, next to water sprinklers, or a dirty environment is going to lead to that coating being damaged sooner. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Don't put your ceramic coating in a position where it has to fight to protect your paint. Finally on our list is using the improper washing techniques. Dirty sponges, dirty wash mitts, the wrong drying towels are all going to lead to micro scratches and swirl marks that are going to take away shine from your vehicle and damage your ceramic coating. Follow these 5 simple tips and your ceramic coating is going to last you 4 years. And if you're not sure on how to look after your car or what products to use, visit the tutorials on our YouTube channel or our blogs on iglcoatings.com.au, where we will give you a step-by-step guide on exactly what to do. And if you have found value in this video, please hit that subscribe button so I can make more content like this in the future.